Let me know, what is your favorite sample pack? What's the one that you said, oh, this is it, I use it all the time, I go to it religiously? What sample packs did you buy? What gear did you buy? Latest sample pack I got, it's okay, but I'll say this. And if you got any issues with any of the sample packs that you got, don't shout out the sample pack, but just tell me what you don't like about it below. But one thing I don't like is don't give me all your loops and don't give me the one-shots. I'm really not concerned with your loops because to me, I really, when I go to mix, I want to be able to mix the hi-hats and all that stuff myself. I don't want to be trapped in your loop. But one thing I'll do is I'll chop it. But yo, let me know what issues you have. What's the best sample pack that you had of the year? You know, out of the Beat Butchers, out of the Sample Labs, the Sauce Labs, the Civil Days Music. Yo, you got to tell me what's your favorite sample pack that you like the most? You know what I mean? What's the one that really had you like, yo, this is just the jam and I go to a lot. I got to say, I like the guy, I think it's a Mulate. Yo, dope sample maker. I also like, of course, Beat Butcher, dope sample maker. Civil Days Music, he's a dope sample maker. Yes, he is. Y'all got to go get the Gorilla kit. You got to go get the Gorilla instruments, things of that nature. We're about to do some conversions. Please be on the lookout. We got some great stuff happening. Oh, my goodness. MSX Audio. MSX Audio is amazing, amazing. Of course, you know, I like the decap drums, things of that nature, that stuff the decap is doing. But yo, shout it out. Let me know what's your favorite sample pack of the year. Let's talk about it. Let's have a conversation. Not just that. Let me know what's your favorite part about it, of certain sample packs, and let me know what's something you don't like. I'll give you one thing I don't like, when they don't give you the BPM of the loop. I have no problem with finding the BPM. I can find it, but I don't like that. You know. So, that's it for me. Make sure you check Civil Days Music. We got some packs out there for you. The link's in the description. Everybody, even add your favorite expansion to that. If you're with Native Instruments, if you're with, Ableton, if you're with MPC or anything like that, let me know what's your favorite expansion as well. What's that one that you just say, I gotta use it, it's my go-to. All right.